Karakuri is a new startup. We started about a year ago and have spent that time looking at what can we do to transform food preparation and bring a level of automation to kitchens to enable mass customization of meals. Whilst manufacturing has moved on in the last decades, years, to be very controlled, very automated, nothing like this had happened in restaurant kitchens, when in fact a kitchen is really a small volume production line.
Eva comes with just the end effector, which is a nice plate that you can mount stuff onto. From that, we then sourced a gripper, a pneumatic gripper, from an online component store, and then had gripper fingers printed from a 3D printing site.
Using the GUI was really easy, and it wasn't until I started using the API that I began to appreciate how much stuff was actually under the hood and the complexity of what was there. And I was impressed with how easy the GUI made accessing that complexity without having to figure it all out yourself.
I've been working with this robot now for a month, and that is the entirety of my robotic experience so far. But I think that's testament to actually how good Eva is at times of being able to get to grips with it. So the Choreograph software is great, but having the Python SDK has really helped us enable us to do more with the robot than we would otherwise be able to do. Because our process involves making up new toolpaths as we go that we don't necessarily know of before, having the Python SDK to actually program that in using maths, using libraries, has been vital for us.
There are some areas where it feels like we're pushing the boundaries of what has been done before with Eva, what's capable of being done through the API in the current status of the API. What's made that work, though, is the support and help we've had from Automata, who have been there and helped us enormously when we've had problems.
We've got a direct line into the team. We've made feature requests that have been implemented. They've given us access to sort of low-level things that we wouldn't have otherwise. We've broken things, they carried it over, they carried one back. No, the support's been great.
Eva's been great. We now have a system being built up around Eva, and we've gained access to that at an earlier stage in our business than we'd been able to do otherwise with a more expensive robot.